Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm one of the support engineers at Boomi. In today's topic, let us see how we can make our local runtime atoms or molecule or atom cloud to point to a preferred Java version. So currently in my local atom, uh, it is pointing to Java of 11.0.16, but I wanted my local runtime to use the Java version that is installed on my local machine, which is 1.8. So Java version, yeah. So currently it is 1.8 on my local machine. So I wanted my runtime to use this Java version. So let's see how we can do that. Okay. So just go to your Boom installation directory. Uh, then go to .install 4j. Here you'll have two files. One is install JRE and other is preferred JRE. Just open them. So currently it is on this version. So if you see on platform on the UI, it is the Java home path is set to this version, which is install JRE. And also open the file with preferred JRE. This is preferred JRE configuration file. So if you open here also, it is the JRE which is installed during my runtime installation. This Java is installed during my runtime installation. So now, as I mentioned, now I wanted to use a Java which is on my local machine. So that Java is on this program files. Just get the JRE of that Java of your preferred Java version. Copy it and update the preferred Java here with its corresponding JRE path. Okay. Now just click on save and close it, and also update install JRE. Just save it and close. Now after updating this, you will need to restart your atom. So I'm doing it from the UI itself. So I'm just restarting the atom. Okay, let it let it update. So if you see the currently the status is online and startup properties, if you see the last atom restart was on 3:04 p.m. Let me refresh the page and check if the atom is restarted or not. Okay. Yeah, if you see it is, you can see it here, right? So the atom is still getting restarted. Let us give it a minute. I'm just refreshing the page again and check if the atom is installed or not. I mean, if the restart happened, yeah, you can see it right now. The atom is online, and if you check the startup properties, uh, yeah, previously it is on 3:04 p.m. Now it is 4:29 p.m. Let us see what Java version it is. Yeah, now you can see it right. In Java home, it is pointing to Java JRE 1.8. This is how we can update our preferred Java version to your local machine runtime. Yeah, thanks for watching this video to this and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.